Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh, your math teacher. So, in the previous session, we have learned that how to represent rational numbers on number line. Like our first question was to represent 1 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3 on the number line. And in minus 2 upon 3, if we don't consider this minus sign, then 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 are proper fraction, and we know the value of proper fraction are below 1. That means there is no need to draw a number line after 1 in positive sign and also in negative side. As you are seeing here, the denominator value is 3. That means we will separate each portion in 3 parts, as we always do. Like here, I have separated each part in negative side also, like 0 to minus 1 I have separated in 3 parts, and 0 to 1 I have separated also in 3 parts. And the first part is 1 upon 3, and second part will be 2 upon 3, and third part will be 3 upon 3. As when we simplified this, it will be 3 1 3, it will become 1. And also here in the negative side, the first part is 1 upon 3, the second part is first part is minus 1 upon 3, second part is minus 2 upon 3, and the third part will be minus 3 upon 3. And again, when you will simplify this, you will get minus 1. Now the another question was to represent 2 whole 2 upon 5 on the number line, as it is in the mixed form. So how we represent this? As I have told you that we can write 2 whole 2 upon 5 as 2 plus 2 upon 5. Means as its value is 2 plus, it means we required the number line after 2. That means till 3. And this is also positive. That means here we no need to draw the negative side of number line. So as you are seeing here, and here the denominator value is 5, so we will separate each portion in 5 parts. Like here I have divided 0 to 1 in 5 parts, 1 to 2 in 5 parts, and 2 to 3 in 5 parts. Now we have to represent this 2 whole 2 upon 5. So after 2, the first part will be 2 whole 1 upon 5, and the second part will be 2 whole 2 upon 5. And the third question was to represent minus 3 whole 3 upon 4 on the number line. How we do this? Like here, as you are saying, this is the negative rational number, so it means here we no need to draw the positive side of number line. As here the denominator value is 4, as you are seeing here, so we will separate each portion in 4 parts. Like here I have divided 0 to minus 1 in 4 part, minus 1 to minus 2 in 4 part, and minus 2 to minus 3 also in 4 parts, and minus 3 to minus 4 in 4 parts. So after minus 3, the first part will be minus 3 whole 1 upon 4, the second part will be minus 3 whole 2 upon 4, and the third part, as you are seeing, it will be minus 3 whole 3 upon 4. But now here is a different question. Like here we have to represent 13 upon 5 on the number line. Now as you are seeing here, 13 upon 5 is an improper fraction, and we know the value of improper fraction always greater than 1. But first we have to convert this into mixed form. How? We can write 13 upon 5 like 2 whole 3 upon 5, and we know we can write mixed form as a 2 plus 3 upon 5. It means again here is a 2 plus, it means we require the number line up to 3, but also in positive side, as the rational number is positive. And as you are seeing here, the denominator value is 5, so we will separate each the portion in 5 parts, like here 0 to 1 in 5 parts, 1 to 2 in 5 parts, and so on. Now as here is 2 whole 3 upon 5, so it will lie after 2. So after 2, the first part will be 2 whole 1 upon 5, the second part will be 2 whole 2 upon 5, and the third part, as you are seeing here, it will be 2 whole 3 upon 5. But in the question, as you are seeing, we have to represent 13 upon 5. So here this is the same. So we will not write 2 whole 3 upon 5, we will write here 13 upon 5 at the same place. So this is the final representation. Now let's take one more example. As you are seeing here, to represent minus 13 upon 4 on the number line. As you are seeing here, the rational number is negative. That means here we no need to draw the positive side of number line. Now again we can write this in the mixed form, like minus 3 whole 1 upon 4, and it will be lie after minus 3. As you are seeing here, the denominator value is 4, so we will separate each portion in 4 parts. As you are seeing here, I have separated 0 to minus 1 in 4 parts, minus 1 to minus 2 in 4 parts, and minus 2 to minus 3 in 4 parts, and minus 3 to minus 4 also in 4 parts. Now where it will be lie, look here. As you are seeing here, after minus 3, the first part is minus 3 whole 1 upon 4, the required one, and the second part will be minus 3 whole 2 upon 4, and the third part will be minus 3 whole 2 upon 4. Now, but in the question, as you are seeing, we have to represent minus 13 upon 4. So we will not write like minus 3 whole 1 upon 4. We will write this number, like here. We will write minus 13 upon 4. Now, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.